Hello friends, welcome to our channel Healthy Souls. Friends, in our channel here we talk about health, fitness, beauty and food. And on the similar topics we upload videos on our channel. And we are really thankful to you for the love all of you are showing to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about aloe vera and its amazing benefits for us. So please see this video till the end. And one very important thing before this, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please do it now and don't miss to tap on the bell icon so that you get an instant notification about all our upcoming videos. So let's know about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a miraculous herbal plant. Aloe vera is a treasure of being young, or we can say a plant of immortality. Gel form of aloe vera is a clear jelly-like substance found in the inner part of aloe plant leaf. Aloe vera is loaded with variety of vitamins, minerals and enzymes essential for our body. It provides 20 out of 22 amino acids and 7 out of the 8 essential amino acids. Aloe vera is known for its antiviral, antibacterial and antiseptic properties. Aloe vera is alkaline in nature. It helps in balancing body's pH. According to Ayurveda, it helps in balancing the Pitta dosha of the body. It balances stomach acidity naturally. It is very helpful in digestion and it also helps in constipation. Aloe vera works as a detoxifier as it helps in reducing harmful toxins from body. It is very useful for liver and helps in treating jaundice. It is also very helpful in diabetes. Aloe vera is an excellent ingredient for skin and hair. It does wonders to your skin. It is very helpful in treating acne and scars. Besides this, it is very helpful in skin conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Daily consumption of aloe vera juice makes your complexion very clear and glowing. It also helps in preventing wrinkles and fine lines, as aloe vera increases collagen production and elasticity of skin with regular consumption. It promotes hair growth. Aloe vera effectively helps in treating minor wounds and burns. Aloe vera boosts weight loss and increases immunity. It provides relief from pain caused by arthritis. Aloe vera is very high in nutrition value. It is loaded with minerals, vitamins like B, C, E and folic acid. It also contains vitamin B12. Regular intake of this will ensure your body is always enriched with these. It also contains a small amount of calcium, copper, sodium, selenium, magnesium, manganese and zinc. Now let's see the ways of its consumption. Aloe vera can be consumed in many forms. It is best to consume in the juice form. Approximately 15 to 20 ml mixed with equal quantity of water gives good results. Aloe vera gel can be applied on skin for gaining the desired impact. It is also being used in cosmetics as an important ingredient since ages. According to Ayurveda, aloe vera is a miracle plant. Its consumption gives relief from various health problems and is a very vital ingredient for a beautiful skin. It maintains healthy body in a natural way. I hope that you would have found this video really useful, so you may please like this video and share this with your friends on social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, so that others may also get benefited from this. We thank you all once again for watching.